Hey guys, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing this barbecue grill set. So we're going to make some turkey burgers. Let's open up this set and see what you get. So with this set you get a nice carrying pouch for all the barbecuing equipment. Oh, check out this. Look at this kit. You get everything that you could possibly want for barbecuing and for your grilling needs. Bunch of these sticks, the poker, seasoner. You got your typical spade, but also this one actually has grooves and different bottle opener and stuff inside. You got your clamp claws. You have different extensions, different things. Wow, pretty awesome if I do say so myself. Yeah, so far using the kit, I love it. This is awesome. So right away, one thing I love about this is look how fine that is. It's so nice for scraping the burgers and other stuff. You know, I'm sure it would work great. And look, you can even cut stuff with it. This is amazing. Not to mention everything else, all the other things that come with it are working great as well. This is a really nice kit, and I can tell you right now, I am super happy with this. Oh yeah, that works amazing as well. I am super impressed with this. This is a nice kit. So overall, I can say this is a really great kit. I'm very happy with it. Everything's working out good, and it's helping our burgers turn out amazing. Can't wait to use it for other stuff.